Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening to all attendees of the webinar. Okay, today we meet on the first price action trading series, the new and structured syllabus for all correct clients. So I would like to welcome everybody tonight for our first ever webinar on the price action trading for the part one of the support and resistance. Okay, I'm Tuku Ishak, trainer at Corporate Malaysia. Will be teaching you through the webinar. Okay, this webinar actually the price action trading series will continue for the next 2 months or 3 months, depending to the times and the syllabus. So hopefully we can learn about the price action trading over time. Okay, before we start with the disclaimer penafian dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, I will read in Malay. Bahan ini adalah untuk kegunaan pembelajaran pemasaran saja dan tidak melibatkan sebarang nasihat atau kerja pelaburan. Kandungan dalam nota penentangan ini tidak boleh dinilai sebagai nasihat atau cadangan pelaburan untuk kegunaan pembelian atau penjualan sesuatu instrumen kewangan. Informasi yang diberikan adalah diambil daripada sumber-sumber yang diperoki dan maklumat yang mengenai prestasi yang lalu tidak boleh digunakan sebagai jaminan atau pengukur untuk prestasi yang akan datang. Ya, dengan ini anda sebagai pengguna bahan dan kandungan dalam pembentakan ini telah memperakui bahawa sebarang pelaburan dalam forex dan produk CFD adalah dikategorikan sebagai berisiko tinggi di mana pengguna adalah tanggungjawab sebenarnya. Pihak kami tidak bertanggungjawab untuk sebarang kerugian daripada pelaburan yang diambil berasaskan informasi yang terdapat dalam pembentakan ini. Informasi yang terkandung dalam pembentakan ini tidak boleh diterbitkan atau disebarkan tanpa kebenaran pihak bertulis daripada pihak forex. Okey, ini adalah saya. Saya rasa semua kenal saya. Saya adalah Tuku Ishak, trainer di Hot Forex. Habis saya di HF Ericsson Center Malaysia. Okey, pengalaman lebih dari 10 tahun dalam bidang R&D, education dan juga consultation. Saya start trading dalam Forex daripada tahun 2012, di mana konsep saya research, identify and action. Research that I've been doing the analysis, identify the opportunity, the probability and take the action once everything is confirmed. The most important part, I always say, trust yourself. Okay, saya ada yang kata suara tak dengar. So, kalau suara tak clear tu, can you check balik you punya audio? Yang lain semua boleh dengar suara? Okay, I need to check. Anybody else can get the voice, can listen to me? Boleh dengar tak? Testing. Clear. Voice okay. Cik Zawani, try to check balik your own audio. Okay, kalau tak dapat, cuba log out balik. Dan log in balik. Okay. Saya sambung balik. Okay, trust yourself and keep it simple. Less is more. Itu yang selalu ulang setiap minggu dalam webinar untuk setahun yang lepas. Okay, mungkin saya kena tukar balik saya punya motto, tapi motto ini terlalu susah untuk saya tukar sebenarnya. Trust yourself. Itu yang paling penting. Okay. Sebanyak mana cikgu kita, orang yang mengajar kita dalam bidang forex ke apa ke, okay, the important part is ourselves. That's the most important. Okay. So, at the end of the day, kita yang buat decision sendiri, bukannya orang lain. Okay. That is our own money, your own investment. So, you make the decision on yourself for the trading. Trust yourself. Okay, today we go for the support resistance part 1. Okay, I go for the introduction. It's quite light for today, but we go phase by phase because over the time the content will be heavy. I will go part by part, and at the end of the day, we will combine everything in one simple trading strategy. That is the most important part. Okay, introduction. Before that, okay, everybody know market move in the trend. Okay, market move in the uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. 3 type of market. uptrend or downtrend or sideways. Okay, or we call it bull market, bear market, or sideways market. Depend to your own interpretation. For me, it's just the uptrend, the price is going up, downtrend, price is going down. When the sideways price in the consolidation, there will not much movement in the market, just up and down at the same area. Okay, so this is simple. Why the basic theory of the trend is price always move in wave form. Wave, that means wave, okay, ombak, wave, 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 wave. Okay, so we want to know is every wave they will have a break. Okay, when it will stop and take a break, and when it will reverse. Okay, when it will continue going up and going down. This is a matter of time, but when and where it will take a break, where it will reverse, okay, where it will sideways going down, stop here, where retrace back, where. So that is our interest. We want to know if the price is falling down, it will falling down up to which level. Okay, we want to know that. Okay, so the simplest part is we can use the support and resistance level to predict the movement of the price. This is the basic of the chartist. Chartist, that means chart analysis. Okay, when we work with the chart, we call ourselves chartist. Okay, we do the drawing with the chart, we do the analysis with the chart. So basically, all of us is a chartist. Okay, objective. Objective of today webinar is clear. Okay, we want to know the support and resistance zone. Okay, why? Because we can take the trades exactly at the area where the price will reverse. Okay, price we always trade on the reversal. Okay, and then why the objective is trading support and resistance line or zone. Okay, line or zone, I more prefer zone basically. It's very important for every trader to implement into their system. Okay, most of the trader, okay, most of the trader, let's say about 70-80% of the trader using the support resistance as their tool in their system. Okay, objective today is I will teach you all how to do the support and resistance, okay, identify the trading zone, and how we want to use SNR approach into the trading. That's the most important part. Okay, that's the main objective for you to understand the support and resistance. So why SNR? Okay, why support and resistance? Short name is SNR, support and resistance. Because this is the myth that which is true. Even though saya cakap past performance does not guarantee future performance, but past price guarantee that the price will coming back in future. Because why? Every price is the memory. We must remember one thing: market is moved by human, and human use the past history to work out on the futures. Kita belajar daripada sejarah. Okay, ini ayat general. Kita belajar daripada sejarah. We learn from the experience sejarah. Okay. So dalam trading pun sama, kita belajar daripada sejarah. Sejarah harga yang dahulu pada masa lepas. Sejarah tu yang kita nak tahu kenapa kita boleh gunakan dia untuk guide kepada masa depan. Okay, price have a long memories, very long. Typically, price will visit back the place where it visited beforehand. Okay, macam yesterday saya mengajar di dalam kelas, saya cerita, okay, saya asal Kedah. Bila saya balik kampung, saya akan singgah di tempat yang saya ada memories. Okay, saya akan singgah di Tapah, arena Tapah, atau area Sungai Simpang Pulai, ataupun area Gunung Semanggul. Setiap tempat ada sebab dia. Okay. Setiap tempat ada sebabnya. Saya akan singgah di Tapah kalau jalan terlalu jam. Because it took 2-3 hours untuk sampai ke Tapah. Okey, Simpang Pulai saya suka singgah sebab ada kedai dekat dengan stesen minyak. Okey, di situ mudah untuk parking dan saya suka minum dekat situ. Every time going back to Kedah, I stop there. So, why? The memories. Okay. Maksud saya the memories. Sama juga dengan harga. Bila harga pergi mana-mana pun, kalau dia patah balik, dia akan stop dekat area-area tu juga. That is basic principle of the price. Okay. So, and the most important part, SNL actually work at all time frame, even at 1 minute time frame or 15 minute, 5 minute, up to monthly time frame. It work at all time frame. Some strategy work at a certain time frame, but support and resistance work at all time frame. Okay, we start with the support. What is support? Okay, what is support? Support is the level where the price find is difficult to fall below. And it will try to go below until it fail and bounce up. Price turun sampai ke level sini, dia rasa susah nak break ke bawah. It's difficult for them. So what happen when the price fall here, it's difficult to break below. What happen? If it fail, it will bounce. Okay? So, where the place it stop, fail to break and bounce, we call this as a support area or support zone. Okay? Because why? Because why price is falling down here and stop, unable to break higher, break lower, and then it reverse. Because that is the place where most of the traders, many traders, can make a trading decision at that level. Maybe at this level, the seller exit their positions and the buyers start to make their positions. Okay, support level is the place where all the price is stop, unable to go lower, and it reverse back. So when it reverse back, we consider this area is a support. Okay, so usually it will bounce that. Okay, one thing of the support is support always below the price. Anything that below the price, we call it support. Okay, lantai. Anything above the price, we call it resistance. Okay, we call it resistance. So resistance, same thing, is the level where the price is unable to break higher. Then it reverse. It cannot break above here. It failed to break. So what happened? It go up to up this level and unable to go further higher, and then it will reverse back. Okay, it will reverse back. So when the price here and the peak here, we call it resistance. Okay, anything above the price, we call it resistance. Anything below the price, we call it a support. I believe that everybody know about this already. Okay, today is quite, we go slow and easy. Okay, but usually this one is on the drop and go up. It's go up and drop. So another part is this is what we call sideways market. Price stop at the same level, support and resistance multiple times. Okay, so this usually happen when the market is on the consolidation mode or market sideways. So what happened? Price go to support, resistance, bounce back down to the support, and then go to the resistance, and then go down, resistance, go down, resistance, go down. So this is what we call sideways, but same thing. It reject high, we call it resistance. It reject the low, we call it the support. Okay, right now semua masih clear. Simple saja ini. Okay, So when we know the support and resistance, why we are interested in the support and resistance? Because one thing, the reversal. When it reaches resistance, it reverse, okay, it provides us the high probability of the price action will occur, or will take part, will reverse at that key level. What key level? Support resistance level. Because why? Because in the past, usually that support resistance has been visited before. Okay? And like I said, okay, history always repeating itself. Okay? So that's why we need to know. The history is repeating itself, the price also back to where it started. In future, it will do the same thing. Because why? Because the psychology of the trader. You nampak dengan I nampak support resistance almost same. Okay. So if you have position, maybe up to resistance you buy it, sampai resistance you exit it. Because why? You cannot see the price break through the resistance. So you take some profit and exit. That level where is the buyer. Okay, like this. Let's say this is resistance. So the price going up and then it stop here. So for those who buy below here, usually they will exit their positions or they trade it cautious. Okay, so what happened? Some may exit here, some start to entry for the sell. Okay, which one we want to follow? Itu saya akan beritahu nanti. Okay, but that is the basic of concept. So, support resistance. Ini satu lagi misconception. Support resistance is line or zone or area. Okay. For me personally, I treat it as a zone, area. Okay, with no specific points. So what happens is we can work out on the general idea. Okay, more broader. Okay, support resistance line are the zone where it will reverse. Okay, it will reverse, and then sometimes when the price is coming here, don't you expect price will fall down directly. Sometimes price go up, it play around, boom, going down. So how we want to use support and resistance? Usually I use the higher time frame. My style is, sekejap lagi I share, I mainly using a daily as a support resistance level, and then for the intraday I will drop down to the H4 to get the entry or the H1. But the basic of support resistance zone at the higher time frame, at the daily. Because why? Because the higher the time frame, the more significant of the support resistance. Bukan kata saya kata low tu tak bagus. Okay, lower time frame. Tapi the higher the time frame, the more reliable the information. Itu the key dalam trading. Okay. So, let me look. Okay, everybody clear? Let me look how we want to draw the support and resistance. I give you this example. How we want to draw the support and resistance. Actually, there are two ways of the drawing of support and resistance. One is using a candlestick chart, but some popular using the line chart. Okay, it's depend. It's depend. Which chart type of we want to use. Some prefer this, some prefer this. Maybe some prefer this. So it's quite subjective. Today I will more focus uh, on the candlestick and line chart. Okay. So How we want to draw a support and resistance using line chart. Usually, I use a past 6 month punya support and resistance. So what happens when I see the line chart, the key here, usually I start from the right, is the, so the peak. You want to draw, the resistance must be at the peak, okay, and then this one, the bottom, the bottom, the bottom. So, yesterday also people asked me, okay, do we need to identify and draw everything in the peak and bottom, something like this. This one bottom, okay, this one is peak. So what happened here? Some people like to draw like this. Okay, for me personally, which type of the support resistance I will draw? First thing, you can use the line chart, and then bila you tukar kepada candlestick pattern, you will see the support resistance. But the thing that I'm not really interested on the support resistance because it's too close to each other. You boleh nampak sini, it's too close to each other. Usually we don't use all the support and resistance. We use a significant support and resistance. A significant support and resistance that the support resistance has been tested for a few times. Use the line chart doing like this. When you finish, maybe higher, lower, so you change back to the candlestick pattern and try to look again. For me, personally, this is the area of the price. Do we need to make here? Do we do think if price will coming down here? We don't know. Okay, so how we want to draw? First, I draw with the line chart, and then I convert back to the how to say that? Sorry. Okay, we continue. So when the price at the top is the resistance, when the price at the bottom is the support. The question is how many lines we need to draw. Okay, for me, simple for the past 6 months. And how you want to draw line, try to get the peaks. And once you draw here, try to look to the left. Is overlap or not? Is coincide with the rejection candle as well. Same like here. So this is the support. Why this is support? You look to the left. Support here, and support here. So next, up, down, up here. So for me personally, I will try not to draw more than how to say that. Okay, never mind. So usually I will go not more than previous everything. I will go for the simple 4 to find support resistance area. So why the question? Why it reject here? Because of the rejection at here. So it reject, it's falling down. So when you draw the support here, look to the left, support, support, support. So you know this is strong support. And then resistance. So when we talk about here, why it stop here? The reason is it also stopped at here, it also stopped at here before, stopped at here, and Stop at here. So when you look down here, this is support resistance. Maybe you cannot see, but if you toggle to the left, it will go inside with the resistance here. That is the support resistance. Macam mana kita nak lukis support resistance? For me is clear. Saya suka draw the support resistance close to the price only because I use a daily. Okay, the range quite big. So I advise you all to go for daily, then you can see how the price move. This is the resistance. This is the support. So next, when the price is here, what else we need to draw? Maybe you can draw for the sum here, pick here. So right now, is this enough for the support and resistance? For me personally, enough. If I remove this, is it enough? Have 3? I will also will say enough. If I move here, so there are some who just wait for the support and resistance. So for the support and resistance. So what happened? They will wait for the price to come to this area or this area, reject. Then we go for the party. So this is how we draw. High, low. The next high is here. Okay. So you can draw whatever you want. Let's say we look on the GBP USD. Open the daily time frame and draw the support and resistance area. This one slow. So this is the support. This is the resistance. So this is how we draw. When we draw the support resistance, I would like my personal view, I prefer from right to left. Okay, I can see the Microsoft, the the, the resistance. You can see the support. So if I use a bar chart, the line chart is slightly different. Why? Because of the shadow factor. Remember that. So this is how we draw support and resistance. If these two close to each other, the solution is and then we have a support, resistance, resistance, support. Let me look for another example. Let's say AUD USD. This is resistance. This is support. This is support. Here. This is how we draw the support and resistance. Nicely draw support and resistance. Okay. Support resistance actually very easy, but most of us don't know how to implement it and don't know how to draw it. Okay, double top tu nanti ya. Okay, kita go one by one. Today I will teach you on the basic support and resistance. So try to look support resistance and have a gap in between the support resistance line. So what we do, draw, draw, and draw. Okay, go back before we start the next webinar part 2. You need to know how to draw the support resistance. Go back, I will create the group. I will invite for those who attend today, okay, through the email, and then I would like to request you to make some drawing and save it and send it to me for the chat. Okay, so how we want to draw the support resistance again, like this one. I prefer price action on the daily. Okay, now, what happened? We have a top. So, bila dia sampai sini, you tengok sampai sini, dia bounce balik. Bila dia bounce balik, dia unable to break. So, this is the support and resistance area. So, kenapa price berhenti di sini? If you draw a line, you can see it was here as well. This is the support because of this support. This is resistance because this resistance. So draw it here. You have a bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. This is also support. So macam mana nak lukis support and resistance? Itu yang paling straightforward. Macam mana kita nak lukis support and resistance? Okay, the first rule. To draw a support resistance, you choose either line chart or the candlestick chart. So like you look at how we want to draw. Look to the here. Support resistance kadang-kadang reject dan kadang-kadang break. Itu saya akan cerita minggu depan, the strength of the support and resistance. Today we need to know how to draw it. The first, draw using the line chart. So what happened? You can see. Price falling down, but it come back to the area where it stood before. So you tanda je lah peak and valley. I will look for the past 6 months, somewhere in June, and then I will draw only the zone where it's near the price. This one. So this is the area where the support resistance based on the line chart. So when you finish drawing like this, something like this, you go to the candlestick pattern, you will see some into the daily. How to draw? The first way is use the line chart, draw the peak and the valley, and then open in MT4. Save in MT4. Or you don't have to delete as well, it's not a problem. The second way that I usually use is basically like this one. So I will go to the daily, I will try to find. This is the support. So how to draw a support resistance based on that? You draw, take the bottom. Okay, bottom and you can see it close overlap to each other, and the top is also overlap. So this area where is no trend, we call it consolidation or sideways trend. When it's sideways, actually we can trade on the 5 minute skipping mode. Okay, how to draw the resistance? So let me look for another AUD USD. Sudah ada close, kita buka USD JPY. So usually I will look from right to the left, draw the support resistance, and going up here, support resistance here. I will make sure it touch as many as possible. And down it stop right here, support here, resistance here, and then clear. This is how we draw the support resistance. You can see it, right? Saya nak check ada yang cakap kat saya tak nampak dia punya slide tak bergerak. One more time check again. You boleh nampak slide and listen to me tak? Okay, the simple trick. How we want to know, how we want to draw the support resistance and have an easy drawing that we can see with our naked eye. Okay, maksudnya cara mudah nak label support resistance. Saya tutup semua sekali ya. Okay, take out one pair. AUD and ZD. How to draw the support and resistance for AUD and ZD. First, we use the daily time frame. Saya akan start dengan daily time frame dahulu, and then when I see the improvement, when we over the time, we will go down for the lower time frame. But right now, the safe is at daily time frame and or H4 time frame. So like this, how I want to draw support and resistance that look tadi and smart. The trick is you try to zoom in. Total zoom in until you cannot zoom. Zoom up 1, zoom up 2. So draw based on this area. How to draw? This is the peak. Price above the price below above the line is above the price. So this is the resistance. Look to the left. This is the support. And going up. Here. And going down here. And going up here. But here, typically I don't draw. Because why? Because to move, it took about 400 pips. So usually I will draw the line close to the price. Right now price is here. I go get here the peak. And here. So do I need to draw it here? No. I will focus mainly the support and resistance zone that close to the price level. Like this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 SNR level. Okay, clear. So this is how I draw the support and resistance. Again, one more time, I show you all how I draw the support resistance. Let's say we take a random pair like this one. We go to the daily, and we know this is the peak, this is the bottom. So what happened? Macam sini, saya akan draw sini peak, sini bottom. Sini peak. Is this peak is good? Try to do left. Okay, 1, 2. It coincide twice. So what happened? This area is a resistance area. And here. Here. So I will draw down. Here is close to the price. Here is above. Here is the close. So here. So how I draw? I draw like this. And then I try to go for the range. Every SNR quite far away from each other. If I draw this line, okay, this is I consider also a support resistance. The red one. Yes, we can use that as a support resistance. But if you see your chart too messy, too many line, you're not so confident, then you go for the simple, just draw 3 support and 3 resistance. Okay. Support and resistance. This is how I draw. Let me look another one pair GBP JPY. Many people favorite. How we want to draw the support resistance? How we want to draw support resistance? Same thing. Daily, zoom in, zoom out a bit, zoom out a bit. How we want to draw? Start from here, draw. This is resistance. Going down. This is bottom. This is top. This is bottom. This is top. Do I need to draw this every level that support resistance have? It depends. Macam saya tak suka draw banyak-banyak pening kepala. So I usually draw 3 resistance, 3 support, something like that. How many SNR line do I make? Not many. I mainly make the SNR line close to the price. Okay? Mainly close to the price. Saya banyak gunakan SNR line yang dekat dengan price. Saya tak lukis pun banyak-banyak. Okay? So how? Sekali lagi saya tunjuk. How I draw the support resistance line. Okay? Daily. Here, I will look to the left. Look to the left, here is the resistance. And I will counter check. Here and here. Okay, this is very good resistance. And then I will check, go to the left. This is the support area. Then it's go up, stop it here, down, here. So going down, going up, going down a bit, close to the here, going up, one more, going down here is this peak. If I you can see, yeah. If you're not sure, you change to the line chart. Is this a bottom or not? Okay, and then going down, going up here, going down here, yeah, and then one going down here. Yeah. This is how I draw. But look at this. These two things is quite close. Betul tak? These two things is quite close. Two line. Do we need a both line or not? It's up to you. It's up to you. But for me, personally, it's better put the thing inside the container. So these two close, you can decide to let it go one. And then you try to look, it's bottom, yes, it's bottom as well. So what happened, we call this area, okay, not line, this area is the support area. Why this is the support area? Because it will reject few times when it comes to this price. And above the price, this is what we call resistance zone, resistance area. Don't ever look at the line, okay, this is the line. My personal experience, better you make a zone. How much the zone? The zone that something about, if daily about 50 pips is acceptable. Okay, so this is the SLR level from my view. I can add this one, okay, but sometimes it's too close, difficult to differentiate. Make two line above, three line below, support and resistance. The EuroCAD daily. So how to draw support resistance? This is the last price, it's coming down, it's go up, it stop here. So this is the support. Why this is the bottom? Kalau you tak percaya, you tengok sini, this is the bottom with the shadow here. This is the support resistance that comfortable for me. Okay, so one more last example how to draw support resistance. This is the support and resistance. So how we draw, this is the peak, yeah, this is the peak, this is the bottom, and then this is the peak, this is bottom. So clear macam mana nak draw support and resistance. Saya ambil satu lagi contoh. Let we look into the US oil. So we go to daily. Daily, you don't see any reversal yet. Never mind. Just draw down here and up here. So here we don't have any reference. So what we do is we need to roll out a bit. So this is the resistance. It's already break. So we need to roll out or we change the time frame to make a drawing. So we look SP 500. Can we draw the support resistance? Of course we can. On a daily basis, you just draw. Because it's already have high, it don't have a previous high. Okay, this one is keep going up, no reversal. So how we want to draw the support resistance for this type, usually we draw a support only. This is a support. So if the price fall down, then you can draw the resistance. Sebelum macam sekarang ni, it's not valid yet the resistance. So you just draw. Don't worry if you draw here. Let we look at the good. Don't worry if your drawing and my drawing is not same. The key here is the peak and the bottom. There's big peak, okay? So if you look here, the big peak is down here. And then the big peak is here and here. Okay? This is also a support resistance, but very far away. So does I add this support resistance make everything is correct? Not necessary. Some, watch this, is more than enough for the support resistance. But some of us need to add this. So yeah, here is the support resistance. But if you have this at here, not at here, don't worry. More or less it's same. Usually we adjust it down to here, so we get the peak more or less. Or like this one, need to come. Okay, does it work at the lower time frame? Yes, but in my price action strategy course, I will start dengan dengan daily time frame. We start with the higher time frame, it's more safer. So this is the M15 time frame. So you can add this is the resistance, this is the bottom, and this is the top, and this is another top. So this is the M15 trade. Okay, it break the support here. Previous support is here. You can see okay, it's going down further. And then it stop here. Why it stop here? We need to know why it stop here, why it's not working. We need to know. But for my course, for the price action trading, I will mainly using the daily time frame as the support resistance. One of the reason is the higher the time frame, the stronger the support resistance area. So please, for those who come tonight, okay, I have your email. I will send the email to you all to join a mentoring group, okay, monitored by me on the price action trading. So please make a few screenshot of your how you draw the support resistance, like this one, or like this one, and then like this one, so that you learn how to draw the support resistance so that we can make a decision in future. Okay, so example, one live example is Euro USD. I would like to show. Okay, Euro USD, you can see why the price stop at here. Why? Okay, the question why the price stop at here, because okay, it used to stop here. But why this price stop here? You look back, you cannot see. Go to weekly. Here, 2012 price at this level area as well. So it coming back in 2017 and again in 2018. So clear. Why it reversed at here? Because history of the resistance here and 5 year back. And you look here, why it stop here? Okay, why the price stop at here? If we draw why it stop here, you can see on your left is a support area. Okay, slightly lower. Why GBP USD price stop at here? Okay, saya guna H1 sekejap ah. Why the price stop at here? You look to the left. Here, price here, price stop at here. Before. Look to the left, 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 look to the left. Here, before. You see? And a few years back. The reason we want to know the support resistance is to know why, where the price will reverse. That's what we want to know. So write this one and write this one. So you can make assumption already. You can make the idea where the price will go. Price will go down here, or the next movement of the price will go up to here. Why? Because this is the resistance, this is the support. It must come down before and stop at the past history. Okay, let we look one example. I cuba scroll. Okay, I cuba to. Okay, this is what I see in the support resistance. This is resistance. This is the support. This is the support. What else? This is resistance. Okay. You can see when the price moving, why the price stop at here? Because the past resistance. Price moving, and you see here, why the price stop at here? Because of the past resistance. Okay. And then it's coming back. Here, the past support. Okay. And then it's going down. You can see it's falling down. Okay. And then see where it stopped. At the support. Does this plan? No. Why it stopped here? Because of the market is moved by human. When human do analysis, support resistance, everything, price tend to stop at the place where it visited before. See? And you see here, it stopped at the support resistance level. The objective is when we draw the support resistance level, we have idea where the most likely place price will stop and reverse. or stop, like this one, stop and break. Okay, this one, stop, break. But this one, stop, reverse, stop, reverse, stop, reverse, reverse, down, going up again. So, how this happened? Because of the support and resistance. So when you look into this chart, kalau saya zoom in, okay, like this one. So when I do the drawing, this is my support resistance area. Okay, not so nice. So based on this, I know where the next most likely scenario price will stop. It going down, reject, it will go here. If it break, where it will go? It will go to here. Okay. Then we add one by one support resistance. We don't have to draw everything, so the chart is full. No need. For me, draw the support resistance close to the price. That is more important. Like this one here, and here, and here. Down here. Okay, this is the support resistance that I'm comfortable with. When the price reverse, I know where it will go. If price break hit this resistance, it will go to here. If it reject, it will go to here. Then if it further reject, most likely it will coming back here. Or it reject, maybe it going back up again. So this is the possibility why we want to know. We need to know the support resistance to know where is the next possible price level. The next possible price level always start or not start, always stop at the previous support and resistance. So go back, please draw as much as you can and save it, make a screenshot or anything, then show it to me. Maybe I can observe and how you understand the support resistance. Don't worry, everybody have their different view of the support and resistance. But the important is the not the line, but the area. Something like this. Okay. Support resistance mainly we work with the zone or area, not a line. Line is more on the what to say. The zone, the line is more on the indicative area, not exactly price touch this line need to come down. You can see here, okay, price touch the line and then it exit back a bit before it coming down. Okay, like this one is not stop and then it start to coming up again. Go back, try to draw support resistance. Why support resistance is important? Because of the one thing, because the possible price area will stop. The next movement of the price where the potential place to stop. We need to know that. Why we need to know that? That is our strategy. When it stop here, it reverse, we sell. It break out, we wait it coming down, buy. Like this one. If it coming up here, okay, reverse, then we sell. But if it break up, then we wait for it to reverse, okay, then we buy. Like this. So when the price move, we know where is the possible destination, and from the destination we make a plan. What we need to do. Okay, there are nobody that okay when like this situation they know already. Okay, next price will go here. Not necessary. maybe price will go up to here or price will pull back to here. So why we need to worry? No. If go up, reject, we sell. If go up, break out, retest, we buy. If reject here, if if going down, reject, we buy. Okay, and then reject, we sell, and then we buy. So anything can happen. We know where it go, we don't know, but where it will stop, we know. Possible stop point. Use that possible stop point for us to plan our trading. So on the part two, I will teach more on the detail on the house SBR become RBS, support become resistance, resistance become support, how we want to quantify a strong support area or weak support area. That one will be continued on the part two. The part one is simple. Okay, question. Is it helpful for practical if we draw SNR weekly, monthly, daily if we trade H4? Okay, my question is simple. You want to know the multiple time frame SNR workable for the H4 or not? It workable. Okay, if you use, okay, this is weekly. Okay, let we use weekly time frame, support resistance. Here is the support. Okay, now we go to daily. Let me draw daily. Daily is the black color. Support resistance. More or less is similar, right? Or this one. Black color. Yeah, more or less is same. And then we go down to H4. We trade at the H4. Okay, now price at here. What we want to do? If it usable, if it can we use that? Yes, of course we can. Of course. Okay. Okay. If we trade H4 daily SNL is sufficient, okay, that is subjective because I made some trader they trade at the H1 they're using the H1 support and resistance. Some trader they trade H4 they're using a daily support resistance. Some trader they use weekly daily H4 and trade at H1. Any method is workable. If I answer your question, if we trade H4 daily is sufficient, yes, sufficient. Even H4 sufficient. H4 only is sufficient. Weekly, monthly, daily, more than sufficient enough. But the question is, if too much line in your chart, can you see? Can you get a clear view? That's the question. If you can get the clear view, you can see it, then it's okay. If you ask me, daily, use it at H4? Yes, you can. Daily, weekly, monthly, use at H4? Yes, you can as well. But remember, this is weekly, daily. When you open the monthly, then how you want to draw? Okay? If you draw monthly, maybe at the H4 it's not reached yet. If you draw weekly, here weekly and daily more or less is same. More or less it is same. So for me, personally, I'm more using daily. Daily time frame, I'm using daily time frame more for the trading. Okay, but sometimes daily, I trade on daily or H4. H4 I use daily. And sometimes I use H4 like this one, resistance H4 as the guide as well. But to get more easy, principally I use daily SNR. I trade at any time frame lower than that. I don't use much time frame, different SNR, different time frame, different SNR from different time frame and trade at lower time frame. I want a simple chart, clear chart. Usually I use a daily only. Here is the daily, here is the daily area. So I know, okay, this is daily area. What should I do? Okay, maybe I can go down to H4. I try to look. Okay, this is support SNR zone. Okay, you can see it. So if I see rejection, maybe I can sell. Okay, if I see rejection, maybe I can sell. If I see the breakout, what is my strategy? Maybe I wait for it to retest and reject, I can buy. So where I want to buy or sell? At the SNR line. That is the key of the SNR. Buy and sell at the SNR line. Okay? Buy and sell at the SNR line. The risk management, everything I will teach later. But the important is for you to understand SNR. How to draw the SNR. My SNR drawing and your SNR drawing might not same. May not same. Okay, may not same. Don't worry. Don't worry, seriously. Don't worry. Why? Because SNR also subjective. And SNR is a zone. My line may be like this. Okay. And your line may be down here a bit. Is there different? Yes, different. Much different? Not much. Or you maybe draw this as a SNR. I maybe draw this as SNR. So you have a different SNR level, maybe extra. I don't have extra. Do I need to worry? No. Maybe the price will stop at your SNR. Yes. But it will stop at this SNR. Yes, as well. Okay. And the question is, some use the body, not using the shadow. If you ask me, it also workable. Personally, I use shadow. But some trader use the body as the SNR. So like this one, okay, here, this is the SNR, they take this one. But me, maybe take this one. Make difference, not much. Because why? As long as I consider this is the zone. SNR zone for me. Okay, more or less is a zone. Okay, get a clear view. Okay, I overrun about 10 minutes. I need to stop here before it go further. Back to the slide. So next week, I will continue with the support become resistance. So this will be a series. So part 2, support and become resistance, how this area is strong or not. Okay, resistance become support. And then we will go a bit more on the other type of the SNR. Okay, so we will continue webinar next Wednesday, part 2 of the support and resistance. And meanwhile, for all the trader, I, on behalf of the Hot Forex, would like to invite you, to the dinner, Hot Forex Gala dinner once a year on 3rd of February 2018 at Kuala Lumpur, JW Marriott. Okay, at Kuala Lumpur, JW Marriott. Okay, for all Hot Forex clients. So what you need to do is on the 3rd February, register here. So for you to get the ticket and chances to win a Toyota Vios, motorbike, iPhone X, holiday package, electronic gadgets, TVs, and also credits, everything. And for the partners IB, we have an award as well. Register yourself, and the entrance fee deposit 300. So your seat is secure. Do it fast. We just announced it yesterday. 1/3 of the seat has been booked. Okay, so make a deposit for the month of January to get a entry for the Malaysia Gala dinner from the Hot Forex. There will be a lot of program, full of the program, starting 5:30 until 11:30 o'clock. Okay, I would like to invite everybody to come to the Malaysia Gala dinner organized by Hot Forex once a year. We meet, we greet, we enjoy the food, we enjoy the performance, and who knows, maybe one of us will be lucky. Not me, for sure. One of us, one of you will be lucky enough to win the motorbike or the car. Okay, so please contact the Hot Forex Malaysia Management, the account manager, your account manager, or your IB for the ticket inquiry and everything. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for attending. Okay, I have a database of those who are attending. I will create a group by this weekend for the price action trading mastery. So hopefully I can mentor you all to be a consistent trader so we can develop together and make profit together as well. This is not a 1 day course. Make a plan for 2 to 3 months courses. Start from the basic up to the advanced on the price action trading. So hopefully we can develop together and learn it together to become a consistent trader. Okay, so thank you very much for coming tonight. So hopefully we have chance to meet again next week. Okay, next Monday, don't forget weekly market preview. Okay, good night, everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and bye bye.